Pump up the hype, understanding English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of English phrases. We'll unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, pump up the hype. It's a colorful expression you might hear in various contexts, especially in media, marketing, or casual conversations. Let's pump up our learning and get started. The phrase, pump up the hype, is an idiom that combines two interesting words, pump up and hype. Individually, pump up means to increase or inflate something, often with enthusiasm or energy. Hype, on the other hand, refers to intense promotional activity or excitement, usually around a product, event, or idea. When combined, pump up the hype means to actively increase or intensify the excitement and anticipation around something. It's like inflating a balloon of excitement until it's ready to soar. Pump up the hype is commonly used in marketing and social contexts. 1. Marketing. Companies often pump up the hype before launching a new product. They might use advertisements, celebrity endorsements, or social media campaigns to create a buzz. 2. Social events. Imagine a concert or a sports event. Organizers might pump up the hype by posting teasers, engaging with fans online, or hosting pre-event gatherings. 3. Personal use. You can also use this phrase casually. For example, if you're excited about a friend's party, you might say, "Let's pump up the hype for Sarah's birthday bash." It's a versatile phrase, but remember, the context should always be about building excitement or anticipation. To grasp it fully, let's see pump up the hype in action. 1. The film studio really pumped up the hype for the new superhero movie with all those trailers and interviews. 2. We need to pump up the hype for the charity event to attract more participants. 3. The fans are pumping up the hype for the championship game on social media. Notice how the phrase adds a lively, energetic feel to the sentences. And that's a wrap on pump up the hype. Remember, this phrase is all about boosting excitement and anticipation, whether it's for a product, event, or any happening. Use it when you want to express or participate in building a buzz. We hope this video pumped up your English skills. Keep practicing, and you'll be hyping up your conversations in no time.